Hello student, once again welcome for standard 8 mathematics chapter number 3 exercise number 3.2. The questions are here. 3.2 exercise 3.2. Find the following. Find in the figure and x value of x. A, B, two pictures are given here. C, the angles are also given. First picture is of triangle, second one is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pentagon is given. Yes, why pentagon? Forget. 5 sides students. See, here 3 sides triangle, 5 sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. That's why pentagon. Okay, here we have to find out the value of x only. Before starting this exercise, you have to revise the things. Here they ask us external angles. Here also x. External angles, sum of external angle properties always 360 degree students. Yes, you remember? Very good. Congratulations. Let's solve the first answer. Don't say direct answer. This is the mathematics. You have to get the marks. It is not accepting any verbally. Writing, formula, no kapgola, no imaginations. Perfect. Yes, see. First one. We know that the sum of all external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Barabar hai. So, here A. What is A? What are the angles are given? 3 angles are given. First is 125 degree. Second one also 125 degree. Plus x is equal to 360 degree. So, 125 plus 125, how much is there? Yes, you are right. 250. Plus x is equal to 360 degree. So, what is the next step? Yes, 250 has to move on the right side, transposing this number to the right side. That means 360 minus 250, 10 only. No, don't make any hurry. Slowly you can go. 360 minus 250, do it now. Ah, 110. Where is 100? You only said 10 only. So these small mistakes lose your marks. Good. X is equal to 110. Easy or hard? Very easy steps. Look at the second one. Pentagon. 5 sides are there. 5 sides, 5 angles are needed. Here only 2 angles measurements are given. 70 degree and 60 degree. What about others? Students, already is there. See, what the meaning of this one? This symbol is 90 degree. Yes, very good. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Now 4 angles you are having. 51 you can find out easily. Angle sum property is a pentagon or any polygon. 360. Add up and find the value of x. 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x plus 90 is equal to 360 degree. Add up these sides. Yes, very good students. Very good. You are very fast. So here, what the answer? Yes, 310 plus x is equal to 360. Yes, so x is equal to 50 degree only. First answer is over. Now get the second one. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. 9 साइड के polygon का कितना रहता है वो ढूंढो. 15 sided. 15 साइड होती तो क्या रहता है ढूंढो. First of all, we are knowing sum of all external angles of the given polygon always 360 degree. Each external angle of a regular polygon has the same measures. पहले तो regular polygon का definition क्या है? सभी साइड का मेजरमेंट इक्वल होना चाहिए. सभी एंगल का मेजरमेंट इक्वल होना चाहिए. All sides and angles have equal measures. That's called the regular polygon. How many sides are given, students? 9. So 360 divided by 9. Why? See, very simple. 9 sides, so 9 angle also is there. Very simple. 360 divided by 9, answer is 40. Regarding 15, very simple. 15 side divided by 15, 360 divided by 15, 24 degree. Here is your heart, but make the simple statement. Akka? Really? Very good. That's the spirit. Now look at here. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24? I know you are very clever. You are very clever. Yes, you found the 15, but how you are knowing very well. Student, have you any idea? See, he is saying. Yes, you are also saying? Yes, you are very smart, very smart, very smart. Just now we completed that one already. Ulta question they asked. Yes, ulta. Yes, nice. So answer is here. Sum of all external angles of the given polygon is equal to 360. So measure of each angles are 24 degree. So thus the regular polygon sides are 15. 15 are there. Yes, very good. See, 360 degree divided by 24 degree gone. When you cut it, there will be a 15. See, it is given here by mistake over printing coming. Yes, you are right. Now I remove my mask, little bit uncomfortable. Continue, we are doing this all work. But when you are coming out, wear the mask. Understood, students? Yes, good. Now let's see the next question. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angle is 165 degree? Answers are here, students. Measure of each interior angles is equal to 165 degree. So measure of each and every external angles means, yes, linear pair of angles, 180 degree, 180 minus 165, which gives me a 15 degree. Again, same thing came here. How many sides? 15 degree ka angle hai external ka. Just think and say. Hmm. 24, correct. 24, you are right. So here the same questions are repeated one by one. So don't worry about this one. You can find out very easily the answers. Sum of all external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. We are knowing. Divide by each and every external angles gives us a side. Divide kar do beta. So many students are still facing a problem of division. Students, it is my humble request. You are the student of 8th standard. And if you don't know division, these types of division, means you need more practice. You already had the time in 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th standard for multiplication and division. And at least you should have to remember table 1 to 20. Yes, you all are saying, you already promised. I really surprised student. See, if you ask 5th standard students, they are knowing tables of 1 to 10. 6th standard students, they can know about 1 to 20 table. But 8th standard students, even they don't know the 1 to 10 tables. What things is going on now? Okay, no problem. You can multiply into answer. Yes, very sharp, very sharp, very sharp. But it will consume your time. If you remember the table, learn by heart, will save your time and confident, make you a confident. Okay, no problem. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 13, 15 threes are 45. That is not possible. So 15 twos are 30. Where we have to write 30? Okay, I will teach you once again. 30 will comes over here under the 36. Subtract it. Where 2 is putting on the quotient side, 2 will be writing here because 15 twos are 30. Subtraction, you are very confident. Yes, I appreciated everyone. Very good, very good. 6. 3 minus 3, 0. Students, still now so many are doing from 3 minus 3, 0 and 6 minus 0, 6. They are answering this question right, but sometime it may be wrong. Like this way. 25 minus 16. What they will do? 2 minus 1, 1 and 5 minus 1, don't do. Not possible. Again they can borrowing and then say 19. Borrowing, then after also they are borrowing here and writing 15. Yes, I heard the examples. And having also nowadays, if I will take examples or test, number of students will write this way. Because many hurry, they are not understanding the rules. First you have to take ones place, then after only you have to move for the tens place. Yes, no problem. You are clever. I know. All are not there. Some are there and we have to teach them what you have to do. That is your prime duty. Add to each other. Yes, bringing down 6. Here, after 6 there is a 0 bringing down here. So after there is 60. Count 15 table up to 60. Yes, you are right, my dear student. 4s are. 4 will be upside, 60 will be here. Now 60 means minus it. 0, 0. Correct? 24. See, I took 3 minutes to explain this small sum. And I hope you all have revised your memory. Yes, format कर दिया. Very good. Very good. Format कर दिया. तो मैंने अच्छा नहीं डाल दिया. New version. Okay, question number 5. A. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Let's see. Now different type of questions are coming. We should have to check out this is a possible or not. B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? The sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degree. We are knowing. Yes, you should have to write. You are knowing that but not enough. In exam, in notebook, you should have to write statement. Yes, also in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is of the same measure. Hence 360 divided by 22. 0 remainder? No. That's why it's not a perfect multiple of 22. In ulta we can say there is a no remainder. There is some remainder is left. Not 0 remainder. That's why such polygon is not possible. 360 divided by 22 करके देखना student. Some remainder will be left. 0 remainder is not remaining. If 0 remainder, then possible. Okay. So, exterior angle कितना होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट? इंटीरियर 22 है बी में. क्वेश्चन बी में 122 दिया बेटा. एक्सटीरियर कितना होगा उसका? Straight angle. See, I will explaining here. Suppose this is a one picture. This is a 22 degree. Isn't it? This is the picture actually. Regular picture is this one. Internal 22. So what about the external students? This angle कितना होगा बेटा? The quadrilateral is like this way. Internal 22. External कितना होगा? Yes, you are right. Straight angle first of all 180 का है बेटा. ये 22 का है तो ये कितने का रहेगा? So दिखा दो. Yes, here. 180 minus 22. 158. किसको मिला? अच्छा आपको नहीं मिला? क्यों नहीं मिला? दिखाओ. See students, what's written? 180 degree minus 22. कहाँ से मिलेगा बेटा? मनोज सर भी आएंगे, अमेरिका से भी कोई सर आएंगे. ये माइनस करके लेके आई बेटी मेरी. 0 लाया, 6 लाया और 1 लाया. 160 लेके आ गई मेरी बेटी. देखो कितना बढ़िया बनाया उसने. अच्छा तूने भी इतना किया बेटा? वाव. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. See, you have to do like this way. See, I am writing here once again 180 degree minus 22. पीछे से लिखना बेटा. 1 under 1, 10 under 10. Not possible. 10. That means 8. Here 7. That means 5 and 1. How came? Yes, you are knowing this 7 and 10 will be here. Okay? I am moving fast now. I want to go slowly, slowly. Yes, you are right. Good, good student. 8th standard students, keep it up. Try to listen and always ready for to learn the things. We are here for you. Very good student. Such a polygon is not possible as 360 degree is not a perfect multiple of 158. 158 का भी हो सकता नहीं है. तो आप अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स तो किसको क्या करने का था. ये भी दोनों पूछ लिया उसने. इंटरनल का भी इतना बोला, एक्सटर्नल का भी इतना बोला. दोनों से पॉसिबल नहीं है. यस. नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल पॉसिबल फॉर ए रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? दूसरा, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल पॉसिबल फॉर ए रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम दे आस्क. मिनिमम इंटरनल, maximum external. Once again read the questions in our Dabbagul. Yes, Dabbagul. I already showed this video last year. Maths में Dabbagul. इसमें एक एडवाइस दिया था बेटा. What? Read the question at least thrice. More than 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Read the question. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? बेटा इसमें पहले समझो रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन क्या है. Yes, you are right. मेरी बेटी बहुत बढ़िया है. All angles are equal. All angle have the measures, same measure. All sides are also equal. High sides, my sides are also measurement are equal. Good. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? एक्सटर्नल एंगल का भी पूछा, मैक्सिमम. इंटरनल का मिनिमम पूछा है स्टूडेंट. घबराने का नहीं. दोनों की प्रॉपर्टी मालूम होनी चाहिए. एक्सटर्नल की वो तो आपको पक्का मालूम होगी, मुझे पता है. बाहर के साइड का जो भी सम होता है वो 360 रहता है. व्हाट इज अ मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल पॉसिबल फॉर ए रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन? पहली बात करते हैं. एक्सटर्नल एंगल ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल के बारे में सोचते हैं. Smallest polygon. Hence, maximum possible measure of external angles for any polygon is 120 degree. Maximum हुआ बेटा, क्योंकि smallest लिया हमने. Smallest polygon लगे तो उसका maximum angle मिलेगा. बाकी जब एंगल बढ़ता जाएगा, स्क्वायर, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, तो एक्सटर्नल एंगल छोटा छोटा होता जाएगा. ट्रायंगल है उसमें सबसे बड़ा मिलेगा. ट्रायंगल में 3 एंगल होना चाहिए बेटा. 360 डिवाइड बाय 3 कर दो, 120 मिला। नहीं समझे? समझो। एक्सटर्नल एंगल कितना होना चाहिए बेटा? 360। अच्छा, हम ट्राइंगल का एग्जांपल रहे। ट्राइंगल में कितने एंगल होते हैं? साइड कितनी होती है? 3। 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6 and 0. Still now, if anyone is confusing, don't do directly. Yeah, student, you can use this method. On back side page, rough work. 3 1 जा 3, no problem. If you put this practice, will you give a confident? 6 bringing down. 3 2 जा 6, minus 6, 0. Bringing down 0, not possible. Also here 0. See, both the answer are same. गुड। तो आपको एक पता चल गया। मैंने दूसरे का आंसर समझा दिया पक्का। पहले के बारे में सोचते। कंसिडर रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन हैविंग द लोएस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। बराबर स्टूडेंट? यस। The external angle of this triangle will be the maximum external angle possible for any regular polygon. पहले से हम दूसरे का आंसर ढूंढते हैं, दूसरे में से भी पहला आंसर मिल जाएगा, दोनों को एक साथ में रहेगा। So here we have a 120 degree. That's a minimum interior angle is 60 degree. देखो, ये मैं आपको ड्रॉ करके सिखाता हूं तो आपको ज्यादा पता चलेगा। ये मेरे पास ट्राइंगल है ए बी सी, उसका 3 एंगल है, एंगल ए, एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी। मुझे पता नहीं कितना है वो। नाउ देयर आर 3 एक्सटर्नल एंगल ऑल्सो। सी विच आर देयर? एंगल सी एक्सटर्नल हियर। इसको हम आगे से पकड़ ले तो ये इसका भी हो गया, उसको हम ऐसे जाने देते हैं तो इसका भी इधर से हो जाएगा बेटा। 3 लेना है कहीं से भी, पक्का? 3 एंगल एक्सटर्नल हमने ढूंढ लिया, 120 है बेटा। तीनों 3 मिल गया, तीनों साइड भी इक्वल है। ये पूरा 180 है, लीनियर पेयर। उसमें से इतने को माइनस कर दो बेटा। इतना इतना 120। सो 180 minus 120, what will be the answer? Very good, 60 डिग्री। तो ये 60 मिला मुझे बेटा। तो ये कितना मिलेगा? ए एंगल 60, इधर बी एंगल 60। नाउ चेक द आंसर योरसेल्फ। 60 plus 60 plus 60, what is the answer? 180. Yes, you are right. And angle sum property of the triangle is 180 degree. Hands up. Thank you. Raise your hand, take it in the back and give the shabashi. Well done everyone, well done. This you remember, I appreciate it. इतना तो आपको दिमाग में बैठ गया है कि ट्रायंगल का इंटरनल एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी 180 होता है, पक्का, नेवर फॉरगेट। तो बेटा आपको दोनों एंगल मिल गए। मिनिमम 60 डिग्री होना चाहिए, मैक्सिमम 120 डिग्री होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा नहीं बनेगा। क्योंकि स्क्वायर में जाएंगे, देखते स्क्वायर के बारे में बेटा। पेंटागन के बारे में देखने का है तो पेंटागन के बारे में देखते हैं, हेक्सागन के बारे में देखते हैं तो हेक्सागन के बारे में देखते हैं बेटा। क्या बोलो उसके बारे में देखते हैं, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं। बिकॉज हियर एक्सरसाइज ओवर आई थिंक सो। लेट्स सी, एनी क्वेश्चन इज लेफ्ट? नो, our exercise already over here, so we will not move for the next one. Okay student, here 3.3 is starting, next time you can do it. So we can check it here for square or rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle not having regular polygon. Rectangle is not a regular polygon. Yes, square. Square has 4 internal and 4 external. These are the internal angles. पहला क्या मिला बेटा? 60 इंटरनल, एक्सटर्नल 120. ये किसके लिए था बेटा? रेगुलर ट्राइंगल, इक्वालेटरल ट्राइंगल के लिए. स्क्वायर के लिए देखते हैं इंटरनल में कितना आता बेटा. तो ये तो इंटरनल तो मुझे मालूम है बेटा. ऑल एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री. पक्का? एक बढ़ेगा एक घटेगा, देखने को जादू होगा. चलो तो इसके बारे में सोचो. यस, यू आर राइट, 90 डिग्री. क्लियर? अच्छा, पेंटागन के बारे में सोचते हैं. ये मेरा पेंटागन हो गया. रेगुलर पेंटागन, रेगुलर पॉलीगन ऑफ पेंटागन, 5 साइड वाला. तो 5 साइड का मैं इधर स्मॉल पिक्चर बना के दिखाता हूं बेटा आपको. सब चला गया, नो प्रॉब्लम. हमारे पास था 60, 120, 90, 90. अभी रेगुलर पॉलीगन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे और चला गया था. नो प्रॉब्लम, चलता है. पावर चला जाता है कि नहीं चला जाता है बेटा? रेगुलर पॉलीगन है, 5 साइड है, 360 डिवाइड बाय 5. कितना मिलेगा बेटा? 72 मिलेगा. इधर कितना मिलेगा बेटा? 72 मिलेगा. ये मेरे एक्सटर्नल एंगल 72 मिला. तो इंटरनल कितना मिलेगा? 182 में से 72 माइनस कर दो बेटा. यस, 108 डिग्री. चलो ये बढ़ता जाता है. देखो ये इंटरनल एंगल है और ये एक्सटर्नल है. एक्सटर्नल कम होता जाता है. देखो आई बात समझ में कुछ? ये ट्रायंगल है, ये स्क्वायर है, ये रेगुलर पेंटागन है. वी विल डिस्कस फर्दर नेक्स्ट टाइम. डोंट वरी, जस्ट फॉर शोइंग. हेक्सागन में भी आपको इसे सीखने को मिलेगा बेटा. क्लियर? गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. 120 मिलेगा और वो मिलेगा 60 डिग्री. पक्का? टिल देयर बी केयरफुल, टेक केयर, बी सेफ, wash your hand, exercise regularly, prayer regularly, complete your notebook regularly. Yes, you are doing, all are doing homework. It needs practice and try to solve each and every examples from textbook. And if you have doubt, cannot understand, you can contact immediately. Till that, bye bye. One more minute. Anyone has doubt? Yes. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. You want the picture? Yes, I want to show you. Yes, there is a one difference, students. Still now so many are confused. Regular and ordinary. This is the regular polygon. Regular polygon is nothing. If I put this sign, that means all the sides of regular polygon. Yes, name are given. You are right, my student. From any point you can start either a clockwise or anti-clockwise. Give the name cyclic. A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the vertex or point. Vertices we can say. 6 angles. 6 sides, all angles are equal, then after only it's a regular polygon, regular hexagon, 6 sides, that's why. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, side number 4, side number 5, side number 6. Clear? Very good question, student. I appreciated. Question you can ask. So here we conclude our today's sessions. We will meet in next session.